Man, who knew there'd be so many raptors in line today? Hey, why are the speech area people a Europasaurus and a Psittacosaurus? Just wondering. We don't have time for this, Raptor. Quiet, Utah Raptor. Hey, you Velociraptor. You're up next. Good. Everybody, I watched the weather forecast and it's going to rain. We will need to hide under that dome. Got it? Well, by the way, this is going to happen in like an hour. Oh, no, 30 minutes. Bye. Yo, Spinoraptor, you're next. Have you ever been tired of just being around a Spinosaurus and a Velociraptor? Well, now you can be around a Spinoraptor. Me! 30 minutes later. In the morning. What I say, guys, what I say. Now we're on a giant washcloth. Hey guys, you can move the giant towel now. Hey guys. Microraptor, get off of Utah Raptor's head before we speak to him. Thank you. Yup, it's me. Megalodon. Dromaeosaurus with you? Yeah, I'm here. Hey buddy, don't forget. We gotta go to that gaming place. Oh yeah. See you then. So, Velociraptor, what do you want? Do you know why water was falling from the sky last night? You mean raining? Oh! I thought it was just a bunch of Quetzalcoatlus crying. How dare you? Well, that sure did it, Megalodon. We are going back to our blue living quarters that are in the background. I must inform you. Your living spaces are just a tiny bit wet right now. Whatever. One of our rooms is empty. Oh, I know who's missing. What did I miss? Not much, Deinonychus. Just go to your living space.